In this example, we're going to look at a way to find the equation of a tangent line to a curve at a given point algebraically without using a calculator. First, we're going to let f equal the function x squared plus 1. And then we're going to find the equation of the tangent line at the point where x equals 2. We're going to use the formula that we used to find the slope of a secant line. And let's get started. Since f of x is x squared plus 1, we're first going to look at f of x plus h, which is going to be x plus h quantity squared plus 1. Now we're going to subtract f of x, which means we're going to subtract this quantity, x squared plus 1, and we're going to divide everything by h. Now the next thing to do is to take this point we're dealing with, x equals 2. Let's substitute x equals 2 into our formula. So we're going to have 2 plus h quantity squared plus 1 minus 2 squared plus 1 all over h. And now we're going to simplify. Expanding this binomial, we can do mentally. If you don't remember how to expand the binomial mentally, you just do the scratch work. This will give us 4 plus 4h plus h squared. We still have plus 1. And now, if we simplify this quantity, 2 squared plus 1, well, that makes 5. So I'm going to subtract 5 all over h. We're getting somewhere. Just bear with us. Combining like terms, we've got the 4, the 1, and the minus 5. So 4 plus 1 minus 5. These guys eliminate each other, and we just have 4h plus h squared in the numerator and h in the denominator. Okay, factoring out an h in the numerator gives us h times the quantity 4 plus h all over h. Now the h in the numerator eliminates the h in the denominator, and we're left with 4 plus h. So you can see the slope of our secant line at the point where x equals 2 is going to be 4 plus h. And remember from our discussion in class that the equation of a tangent line is going to be approximated by picking points that get closer and closer together. In other words, picking values where h gets closer and closer to 0. So as h approaches 0, we can conclude that the slope of the tangent line is going to be 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. Now, we just came up with a very good estimation for the equation of a tangent line without using a calculator. You need to remember this, and now we're moving on to part B. In part B, we were asked to find the equation of a tangent line at this given point. Okay, so x equals 2. F of 2 is 5, and the slope of the tangent line we found to be 4. So now let's write the equation using point-slope form. We have y minus 5 equals 4, the slope, times the quantity x minus 2. And there you have it. We've written the equation of the tangent line. Now, once again, this is one method to use without a calculator. We're going to learn other methods in class as we continue our study in calculus. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Hopefully you found it helpful. Enjoy your practice problems.